Hi, my name is Kerry Waldo, Managing Partner with Friesen Brothers, and today we're at our newest location in Edmonton, Alberta. Quality is, of course, the utmost importance to us and to all of our guests. We only serve 100% Alberta fresh meat. We also are searching for and hiring Red Seal chefs to work in our kitchen. We want the highest skilled people to deliver these great products. We first learned about Rationale about 8 years ago when we opened our first fresh market store in Stony Plain, and have since then have put the Rationale in 14 of our other locations. And when we opened this store, it was the first store in Canada with the iKitchen concept.
My name is Kyle Amos. I'm the Food and Hospitality Manager with Friesen Brothers at our Rabbit Hill location. My role is to oversee guest satisfaction and the production of all of our hot and cold food. So my team and I really noticed the efficiency with Rationale versus conventional kitchen equipment, being able to switch between tasks quicker, produce the food in a timely manner so that the last thing we put out isn't that far away from the first thing that we put out. I've worked in kitchens for a long time, and I think the biggest thing is I haven't needed a lot of customer support as much as I would traditionally with conventional kitchen equipment. With Rationale and it having its self-clean, it saved us time, and the oven always looks brand new.
My name is Jacinda Adolfson, and I am a Red Seal chef here in Friesen Brothers in Rabbit Hill, and I am currently the kitchen manager. Some of the things we can do with the iCombi is our overnight roasting. So we overnight roast our roast beef, our chickens, and our Ukrainian roast. And what the iCombi does with that, it allows us to produce a consistent product all the time.
The Iverio has been fantastic in regards to big batches for sauces and gravies, being able to produce large amounts of sauté items to our buffet line quicker.
I would have to say the most exciting thing to cook in the Iverio is probably our mac and cheese sauce. It's super impressive because in a traditional pot, working with milk products, they're very temperamental, so working with it in the Iverio, it saves it from burning. The iKitchen has helped us become more efficient, and I find it very easy to train our staff on this equipment. It's very self-explanatory. It's a press of a button and you can figure it out.
When we're recruiting Red Seal chefs, one of the things that we do say is that we have some of the best equipment that they can work with. And when we mention Rationale, it's a piece of equipment that they're known as great quality, great functionality, and that will help them deliver the best food possible.
From all my years working in kitchens, Rationale is definitely my go-to now. I can't even compare it to conventional equipment anymore. The self-cleaning modes, the maintenance, how smart it is, how we can program it. I like to call it an extra chef. It takes a lot of the extra effort out of cooking, and it really gives us the opportunity to provide that quality and consistency that every kitchen is looking for.
I am super proud of my role with Friesen Brothers. With the Iverio and the iCombi Pro, we're able to produce high quality product, and it's ready to serve.